To use the incremental save system, first save your initial project. For example, test.blend. Next, we're going to create a few changes within Blender. So, for example, we're going to add Suzanne the monkey mesh. Then we're going to go File and choose Save Incremental. This is going to create a new save that adds a number to the name of the original project, in this case test1.blend. If I make another change, for example subdivision surface on my model, and go File, Save Incremental, we create another new file called test2.blend. If we go File and Open, we can see the initial file that was made, test1.blend, test2.blend. So we can use this as a means of going back to previous points in our project because we're creating different save files for the same project.